Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify project management tools with Trello step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Trello account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Trello boards. Select the project board you want to verify. Review the board structure, including lists and cards. Check for clear objectives on each card. Ensure that tasks are assigned to team members. Look for due dates on each card to track deadlines. Verify that checklists are included where necessary for task breakdown. Examine any attachments or links provided within the cards. Assess the comments section for team discussions and updates. Identify any labels used for better categorization. Confirm that all relevant team members have access to the board. If needed, modify permissions to ensure the right people can view or edit. Check for integrations with other tools, such as Google Drive or Slack. Make sure that any automations within the board are functioning correctly. Ask for feedback from team members about their experience with the board. Document any issues or areas for improvement identified during this process. Finally, summarize your findings and discuss next steps with your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.